Social Science, Grade 7, Block 25, Water on Earth, LP1, Distribution of Water by teacher Shikha. Students will be able to understand and explain the distribution of water and fresh water scarcity on Earth. Keywords are hydrological cycle, the water cycle, the continuous circulation of water within the earth driven by solar radiation, water scarcity, water shortage, saline, salt water. Children, let's discuss the activity. The water flowing in the river Nile in Egypt might one day end up in your homes through your kitchen tap. Just think, how can this happen? What is this process known as? So children, this can happen as a result of process known as the water cycle or the hydrological cycle. In this cycle, water evaporates, condenses to form of precipitation. Therefore, it is quite possible that the water which has evaporated from the river Nile might fall as rain over India many years later and become a part of our groundwater or rivers. So children, today in this video we will learn about the distribution of water and fresh water scarcity on earth. So children, now my question is, what are the different forms of fresh water on earth and what is the percentage of each type? Let's discuss this activity. So children, fresh water on earth is found A as ice in glaciers and polar ice caps 1.7%, B as groundwater 0.7%, C as rivers and lakes 0.0091%, D as moisture in the atmosphere 0.002%, and E in other forms, that is 0.0889%. Together these form the total fresh water on earth, which is a mere 2.5% of the total water on earth. Children, just look at this chart. It is very easy for us to understand the 5 points, which in total makes it 2.5%. And the rest is all saline water, 97.5% on earth. So children, why is fresh water a precious resource? And why do we often face water scarcity? Fresh water is a precious resource as it forms a very small percentage of all water on earth. Saline water from the oceans cannot be consumed, and a large percentage of fresh water in glaciers, ice caps, and in the atmosphere is not readily available for use. Groundwater, rivers, and lakes are the only sources of fresh water. Due to increasing population as well as pollution of groundwater, rivers and lakes, we often face fresh water scarcity. So children, now I want you to analyze and think one important question, that is, what is one way to conserve fresh water in our daily lives? So children, instead of letting rainwater go to waste, we can collect and use that water for our daily needs, like cleaning the house or watering plants. This is known as rainwater harvesting. So children, now it's time for some application. Try to solve your worksheet. Please read your content book. If there is any difficult word or any difficulties, please mark it for further discussion. as you should be able to identify the different types of water and their percentages and understand the scarcity of fresh water on earth. Also can suggest measures to conserve fresh water. Please read your content book. I hope the topic is clear to you. Have a great day ahead, children. Thank you. Bye bye.